Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to buy coins or tokens listed on Bitget exchange pre-market. So guys, if you want to buy coins or tokens listed on Bitget exchange pre-market, the first thing you will do is this. On the Bitget exchange platform, guys, you will register. After your registration, you would buy USDT stablecoin. So guys, you can use my link in the description to register. So guys, on the Bitget exchange platform, you will click on this, When you click on this, you will search for pre-market. So guys, these are some of the coins listed on Bitget exchange pre-market. So guys, I'm going to use major as my example. The current price of major tokens is 1.97 US dollars. So guys, I will click on major. So guys, if you want to buy major, you can buy from the first seller on this list. The first seller is selling at the rate of 1.98 US dollar. So guys, you click on buy. When you click on buy, you can spend a minimum of 5 US dollars. So guys, you click on max. When you click on max, it will show you the amount of major tokens you can buy with $5. Then you click on buy. So guys, don't forget, this is just an example. I bought some major tokens already. So this is my pending delivery. I spent 5.14 on major tokens. So guys, my holdings has reduced because of the new calculation for major tokens. So right now I have 3.02 major tokens. Before the calculation, my holdings was over 300 major tokens. So guys, if you are interested in buying pre-market, this is how you will go about it. So guys, I also bought Memphis tokens. I bought Memphis tokens. This is my pending delivery. So guys, I spent 5.21 US dollars on Memphis tokens. 5.21 at that time when I bought Memphis. My Memphis holdings is 325 Memphis tokens. So guys, this is my experience here on Bitget exchange pre-market. I bought PGC. I bought PGC with $5. When PGC was listed officially, I made times 2 of my money. So guys, if you are interested in pre-market, if you are lucky, you can make times 2 or more than times 2 of your money. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.